All right, guys. So if you come over here to my today's revenue on this particular CPA dashboard, you can see that I generated $311.45. And what I normally do here is to go ahead and reload the page. And after refreshing the page, I will also come up here and refresh the page because I need to actually show that, okay, this figure you are seeing here is legitimate. Okay, now not just only showing legitimate figures, we also have to show that there are a lot of people out there that are also making money from CPA network. If you come down here, you can see apparently a lot of people that are making money from CPAGrip. They are all here. All right. And you can be part of them. All you need is just taking a proper action. And when you take this proper action, you are eventually going to be part of these people making this money. And one of these proper action that you need, I'm going to reveal that right in this particular video. Okay. I'm going to be showing you exactly how you need to promote CPA offer legitimately, and in order for you to get people to click your link. And when they click your link, you get your CPA offer converted. All right. But because of those who are just new on the platform, then you need to pay attention to a brief explanation on some of the important things that you need to understand. Monetization tools. Basically, when you see this on CPAGrip, you need to understand that you need to make sure that you are monetizing whatever tangible digital item that you own by yourself, okay? Your own personal property. You are going to be monetizing that with these monetization tools, okay? And there are several ways you can actually use these monetization tools to monetize this tangible item. But in my next video, I'm going to go ahead and reveal some of them out so that I can basically understand how to work with monetization tools, either by creating content locker and so on. So if you come down also here, you're going to see offer tools, where this section, you don't need to own any digital item. Like I mentioned in my previous video, you need to promote a CPA offer from a specific country like United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Switzerland, and so on. So, but you need to understand the logic of how you basically be able to get traffic from those particular country. So if you say you want to promote Canada offer, then how do you get people from Canada to click those links? That is the major challenge that a lot of people face. And one of the comments I received in one of my previous video, that even though he has marketed the CPA offer, the major challenge he's having is the click. People are not clicking. People are not taking action on your link or your landing page. But it is not your effort. It is not actually your fault, right? Because the point here is, how do you structure your post? How do you structure your CPA link or your landing page link, which is called bridge page, when you are posting on any platform where you targeting your audience? So you can target your audience from Facebook, Quora.com, Pinterest, and so many other websites. But the biggest challenge is, how do you structure your post? Because there's a way you structure your post, it will look spammy. And people don't click any spammy post. They don't click any link coming from a spammy post. Even you that is actually promoting CPA offer, you basically going to go ahead and be promoting this CPA offer. But if you are the one that this offer is being promoted to, you ask yourself, will you actually take action? This is some of the things that you need to understand. Then how do you make your offer to be appealing to people in those groups that you want to post, so they can be able to take action and click your link? Because that is the only way you can actually get your offer to convert. It's a big challenge. All right. So if you're having this kind of problem, just let me know in the comment section that you are getting clicks and there's no conversion, or you are not getting clicks at all. Okay. So that we can be able to understand how you can go about this. Okay. Now, if you can see that a lot of people making money, the morale will be high. So I will advise that you take proper legitimate training in a way that you'll be able to understand how to promote your CPA offer so you can be able to start making money with CPA marketing. All right, so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and take you step by step. Do not rush. The very first thing we need to do is to create a landing page, which is going to help us to house the list of the offers that we're going to go ahead and promote. So once you're already on this Google site, okay, where you are going to be creating your landing page, like I do mention that what you need actually is to make sure that you eliminate every single element that you do not need in this interface. This is because you are going to be designing your own interface to suit exactly how you want it to look like. And it's very simple. Just drag the text box into your interface, and then you enter the link of the CPA offer. That is all. Okay. If you want me to teach you exactly how to create a simple landing page in a separate video, like in a dedicated video, go ahead and let me know below this video. Just let me know. Teach us how to create a landing page. And I'm going to go ahead and make a separate video dedicated only to create a landing page with Google Site or any other suitable website you want me to use. Okay. But for the case of Google Site, I use Google Site because it's pretty simple. I can create a landing page with just only my mobile phone, and boom, work started. So after you have created your landing page, the next thing is traffic source. I've revealed so many traffic source, and I'm going to also be revealing a lot of traffic source. The ones that I've used, the one I've tested, and the ones that have given me results, I'm going to be revealing them right here in this particular platform, YouTube. Okay. All right. So right over here is the traffic source I'm going to review for this particular video. In my next video, I'm going to also go ahead and review more traffic sources that you can use. But take note that in every simple traffic source that you need or that you have, there's always a limitation in whatever you are doing. Okay? When we talk about Facebook, there's a limitation. The limitation in the case of Facebook is that you are posting, but you do not know what and how people are going to click your link and come to your landing page to take action. All right. So you have to post and relax and be patient, expecting results. So if you are not patient enough, basically the result might come when you have already fed up. Sometimes you might post today and expect result today, and result may not come. But if you post today and probably you are fed up and you stop posting, by tomorrow or next, you begin to see that what you have done previously have started yielding results. That is why patience is always very important. But then it is also very important that you understand that a lot of people are jumping into the CPA network because they need urgent money. They want to make money as fast as possible. So because of this, I have decided to design a custom direct traffic, okay, direct traffic system that will help you to facilitate the process so you can be able to start making money faster with CPA network. All you need to do is to click the link below this video. You're going to be able to get access to the master class where you are going to be taking step by step, hold you by hand, and walk you through the system setup. So you'll be able to understand how you can actually be able to use this custom direct traffic to your own advantage and boost your income with any CPA network every single day. So over here, how do you post? It is very crucial that you understand that posting is not just by typing what you want to post, but it is by emotionally understanding the kind of audience you are posting this for. Okay, so basically the first line and the second line of your post must be able to trigger the hook and capture the interest of the audience you are posting for, and the second line will actually be able to give a promise of the value that you want to give. Okay, and then the third line apparently the call to action, and then you are going to put in the landing page link, not even the link of the CPA offer itself, but just the link of the landing page. Just add it, just only one, and then you are good to go. Once you do that, apparently you can now go ahead and publish your posts. I'm going to make a video for Quora.com Facebook groups and Facebook pages, as well as how you can be able to create digital content that will always boost your link clicking on your CPA offer on any of these specific major social media platforms. That how do you also build your audience in such a way that they are always very ready to click any link that you are sharing with them? This means that they are also enjoying value from your content. So if you are able to post something that people, appreciate, okay, or people actually value so much, then you have 90% people that are going to come back to actually click and take action on your link. Okay, just like as you are watching this video, there are a lot of people who are also clicking the links in the video description, and some of those links that you see there, some of them are also monetized. Okay, so when you click on it, I make money, right? So it is because you are getting value from what you are watching right now, and that is why you are able or encouraged to actually take an action by clicking those links. All right, guys. So if you gain value from this video, give it a super thumbs up, like this video, and share it with your friends on social media platform. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, and turn on the bell icon so you get notified once a new video is published. And if you want to join my one-on-one mentorship training course on CPA marketing, where I will hold you by hands and walk you through the entire process of system setup so you can be able to boost your income revenue with CPA network, does not matter which CPA network it is. But at the end of the day, you are going to be able to start generating funds, just like as you can see on the screen right over here. Okay, if you have any question, drop it in the comment section right now, and I'm going to go ahead and respond. My WhatsApp number to DM for the mentorship course is already in the video description. I will see you guys in my next video, guys. Peace out.